Hello. It's been a while, YouTube. Have you been? You've been practicing, I can tell. Welcome back, my little flummies. I'm so glad you're all here. I know it's been a while, so because of that, we're going to focus on one trick today, and that is palm spins. We're gonna learn how to do palm spins. We're gonna learn some different variations of them and what they can look like when you throw them into your routine. So without further ado, let's get into it. You guys want to see a secret? I took out the little dome thing on the light while I was practicing. Yay, quarantine. So palm spins, for anyone who doesn't know, look like this. You see that? Ah, ah. So all you gotta do is hold the base of your fan in the clam grip with the bottom of it on your palm. So keep it on that spot so that when you open and close, it's not actually moving. And all you got to do is spin it in the direction you need to go. A little bit of wobbling is normal. It's going to happen, especially when you first start out. You're going to wobble like way out there. Yeah. But yeah, it's normal for your fan to wobble a little bit. It will get more stable with more practice, but always practice on both hands. Whoa, whoa. So another quick note when you first start, it is normal if you only spin it to the other side as opposed to a bunch of times. Another thing, it's just another thing that comes with practice. It is okay. Try to focus just on facing it the other side. So you can see the galaxy print on this one. Flip it over to purple. Just practice that. If you're not good at balancing fans just yet, or if you're a little nervous about letting it go, just practice getting it to the other side for now. Ha! And in both directions. So, clam grip. Wah, wah. Once you're comfortable with that, you can actually travel with them. Look at my favorite is going down. Go to the side. The hardest direction for me has been going upward because you're not only balancing the fan, you're also balancing it while you're pushing it somewhere. It's not impossible. I've done it a few times. I'm going to do it like this so that you can see where I'm going. Oh, that almost hit my face. Aha! See? I told you I could do it. Oh, forward. Oh. I fell. Okay. Forward. Just be careful not to launch your fan into the audience, or in my case, your camera. So try pairing some palm spins with some other tricks you know. For example, spinning up and down. This fan is going to do a palm spin coming down, while this one is going to do an in spin going up. So, ha. And now it's going to switch. Ha. Check this out. Ready? Double palm spins. Hurrah! Ha 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 ha. Nah. Ha 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 ha. I don't even know what that was. Aggressive palm spins. There we go. That's Dani's style. Okay, so that about wraps it up. Wait a minute. No, it doesn't. I lied. I'm forgetting the wicked parts. So for this next part, we gonna have to get Nikki. So sorry. Go. Don't be shy. Thank you. All of the palm spins that I just showed you with the handle can also be done with the wicks. That happens sometimes. Can also do it on the outer wick. Can I go up again? Let's see. Let's see. Whoa. Yes, I can. Quick disclaimer, you don't actually have to take your fan covers off to do the palm spins on the wicks. I just did it so that you could see what I was doing. Aha! Oh, this is awesome. Okay. Aha! Okay, you can get dressed now. Thank you for working with me. Oh, now you don't want to get dressed, I suppose. You naughty. Hey, Dani, those are pretty awesome leggings. Where'd you get them? Well, funny you should ask, my friend. I designed them. They're on my Redbubble shop. You should check it out. Go buy yourself something pretty. Alrighty, so that is all I've got for you today. I will be recording more often, you guys. I'm very, very sorry that it took so long. I actually have been working on 2 other platforms. That is my writer platform and my author platform. If you are interested in any of those, I will link them down below. But for now, let me know, did you like this video? If so, give it a thumbs up and comment down below. What are some of your favorite tricks to do with fans? If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the little dingy bell. I hope you all have a wonderful flow journey, and I will see you next video. Bye!